and it was all going well. Until, several runs later, the tractor started misbehaving again.
I can't make it. How do you make it turn when the wheels aren't on the ground? What the hell?
The problem was that as my Lambo gulped through fuel, the fuel tank was getting lighter. I decided therefore to get back to the yard and refuel before things got any worse.
Oh, come on. Got too many revs. Let's try four-wheel drive, so yeah, that might help. Let's try this. No, shit. It's not better. How the fuck am I going to get out of